Nifty over past few days has been in a range. If you observe closely on the charts, from the low which was formed in 6825 in early March, most of the trend, 7925 in early March, most of the trend has been in the first 4 to 5 days, and post that there has been more of a sideways correction. Even recently, the low which was formed somewhere around 8250, post that there was a sharp rise for just 2 to 3 days, and now we are seeing a sideways correction. So a breakout above 8600 is going to be very crucial to see, and I doubt that it will be taken out in this expiry given a huge open interest call writing happening at 8600, and on the downside I think 8400 is going to be a crucial support level. So break either above 8600 or below 8400 is going to be important to start a trending move in that direction.
All right, then Ashish, that point's well specific.
Sure. See, the first pick is going to be oil marketing company again, HPCL. We have been bullish on the entire space for quite some time, and still there looks to be a lot of room left on the upside. Even now, HPCL has been moving higher. There is no negative divergence, so the momentum is intact, and one should be in the trend as long as we continue to see a positive bar formation both on the daily as well as the weekly scale. So long positions can be created on HPCL, keeping a stop loss of 1140 for the target level of 1310 on the upside. The next call is on the buy side is Divi's Lab. This stock formed a very important low near the zone of 1030 just few weeks back, and post that it has been running on the upside. Probably the stock is in the C wave now, and it should reach towards the target level of 1290, which is a Fibonacci projection of equality. So one can create long position on Divi's Lab, keeping a stop loss of 1160 for the target of 1290. And the third and the final call is on the sell side is Mindtree. This stock has been falling and seriously capitulating from the levels of 750. There has been some consolidation for a few months within the zone of 650 to 700, but post that there has been a strong breakdown, and we can clearly see this breakdown happened with a gap. So the overall trend for Mindtree is negative, and it is exactly the opposite which we saw on the HPCL, which is running on the upside, and the Mindtree is running on the downside. So the strategy is selling the underperformer, and one can keep a stop loss on Mindtree as 590 for the short positions and expect a target level of 500.
All right, Ashish, any view on Speak? You know, the stock has done a big U-turn. I think we should get the intraday chart of Bajaj Auto up for us on the screen. That stock suddenly has taken a knock of around 1.5%, and it's happened very, very quickly. So I think we should get that up for you on the screen. Ashish, any levels you're watching on Bajaj Auto?
See, overall the trend for Bajaj Auto, I would say, has been positive. It has managed to form higher lows, which is a typical as per Dow theory method. If you check, the trend is positive. So I'll still utilize any dips as a buying opportunity as long as 2620 remains intact. So that is the crucial level, that is the crucial pivot level that one has to keep in mind, and move back above the level of 2750, and a close above that level is going to be important, which will confirm that the positive trend is again resuming back towards 2800 or higher.
All right.